Gentle rain is coming. Let's prepare.
I'll check the skies.
We garden with care, even in rain. Gear ready.
Waterproof covers on. Clips secured.
Check seams and ties. Noted. Guide the water, save the soil. Downspouts aligned.
Barrels half open.
Screens in place.
No slips today. Good thinking.
Rain rules posted. Community agrees.
Moderate rain, calm winds. Perfect to test our systems.
Irrigation off during rain.
Waterlog updated.
Straw like refreshed.
Roots cozy.
Team Bright Ray. Ready! Ready! Love light so strong. Gentle, even light is great.
Dry lid on.
Nutrients safe. Add a tiny drain here.
Approved.
Pears and patience. Yes.
Breaks every hour. Schedule pinned.
Rain sings today. We grow with the song.
Flow steady.
No pooling. Guide, don't rush.
Soft curves only. Looks pretty, works well. Win-win.
Facing breeze gently. Posts firm.
Airflow calm.
Sprouts at ease. Easy steps. Great helpers.
Ties tightened. Leaves smiling.
Soil protected.
Moisture balanced.
Water moves freely.
Clean and clear.
Perfect classroom weather.
Lesson time.
Cloud, drop, soil, root.
We remember.
Green zone holds. No extra watering. Leaves bright. Happy garden.
Warm sips. Team spirit steady.
Afternoon dimming soon. Finish checks, regroup.
Grip renewed.
Safe walkway.
Hate walkway.
A new day begins. Growth is consistent.
All observations logged.
Our plants are growing.
Soil needs aerating.
Nutrients added here.
Let's plan our morning tasks.
Teamwork makes it lighter.
Mint smells wonderful. Precision pruning helps.
Water levels are good.
Data entered, boss.
Look at these roots.
They drink from the earth.
Rinse station ready.
Baskets sparkling clean. Lovely garden melody.
Calm and bright.
Helps the plants thrive.
New photos up.
Our story grows.
Lift trays carefully.
Support underneath.
Even brightness.
No stress.
Seven-day plan.
Calendar set.
Kale, chard, spinach.
Perfect penmanship.
Rain is today's helper. And we guide it kindly.
Water to roots, not puddles.
They drink slowly.
Balanced. Well managed. Mint loves this. Scent in the air.
Grow song, gentle beat. La la la.
Slow feet, clear eyes.
Got it. Got it.
Rain Day album. Looking good.
Flow confirmed.
Edges firm.
Clouds thinning. Keep steady. Take a little.
Let the plant continue.
Clean and
Crisp.
teamwork.
Rain-grown crunch.
Yum. Yum, yum.
Dry jars labeled. Stored safely.
Soft glue on.
Garden rests soon.
Short burst incoming.
Calm positions.
Seems solid.
No leaks.
Levels safe.
Numbers noted. Redirect gently.
Use small stones.
Water, please go here.
It listens. Breeze, mild. Baffles working. All paired. Good and safe. Back to steady.
Nice rhythm.
Secure.
Noted.
Blanket patched.
Thank you.
Smooth outflow. Water happy.
To rain wisdom.
A tiny bridge.
Let's build one.
Test passes. Cute and useful. Kind work. Clouds parting soon.
Lamp set low.
Cozy view. So peaceful.
Rain feeds, soil holds. We remember. Capture the shine. Angle from low.
Future garden, future smiles.
Welcome to Rain Gardens.
Hello.
Observe. Don't rush.
Paths only.
Water art.
Wow!
Sky on water. Magic mirror.
Rain night soup.
Thanks, gentle rain.
Thank you.
Share kindly. Leave things better.
Leaves bright.
Notes done.
All set. Pond calm.
Sleep time for sprouts.
Good night, garden.
Sky still smile. We see it.
Paths clear.
Morning.
Grit still holds. Refill light.
Perfect range. Nice work, Rain.
They loved the weather. Kind growth.
Baskets ready.
Fair share time.
Clean and crisp. Log the yield.
Rain made breakfast.
First deliveries. Roots clear.
Title: Rain Gardens Day.
Beautiful.
Next season ready.
Happy planning.
We learn and care.
Welcome, friends.
Water guides. Soil hugs.
Excellent. Say,
Rain light. Rain light.
You taught us balance.
we listened.
For help or tea?
Our ancient friend. Always connect.
We grow what we share.
Together we shine.
Thanks, gentle rain.
Thank you, thank you.
On MARYA AI, gentle rain became a teacher, and kindness became a harvest.